Here's a 2015 Lexus ES350. This ES350 is state-of-the-art in the art of arrival. The crafted elegance and athletic performance give you a luxury sedan others won't soon forget. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, leather steering wheel, front-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and power heated mirrors. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Experience it for yourself today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.